everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Virgin Money credit card online account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into Virgin Money credit card account online, go ahead and open up a preferred web browser. Into the URL box, type in uk.virginmoney.com and press enter on your keyboard. If you've got the Virgin Money application on your mobile device, you can simply open it up and continue signing in. From the official web page, click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner, which will open up an expanded menu. You'll need to first log into your internet banking account in order to access your Virgin Money credit card. So click on this first link appearing right beneath the sign in option, and this will take you to the internet banking login area. Click on continue to internet banking. Now you'll need to type in your username or your customer number. Go ahead and type in any one of them. Your username also will be an email that you used while registering for your online account, so go ahead and type it in first. And in case you've forgotten your customer number or your username, click on forgotten your customer number link and follow through the instructions. After filling in the detail, click continue. On the next page, you will need to verify your details. Type in the access code that you set up when you registered for telephone banking in the first text box. It is usually 4 digits long. After you do so, scroll down and enter your short code number, your bank account number, and click continue. Once your identity has been verified, you'll be guided on further instructions. After you provide the necessary details, you can easily access to your Virgin Money credit card service. That was how you can easily do it. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.